people, what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam TV. So spring is in the air and this look, I can't wait to share with you guys how I created it. But this is not a tutorial, it's more of a MAC unboxing. So stay tuned, you guys don't want to miss out on this springtime treat. Be right back. Alright guys, so happy 420 to all my weed smokers out there. I am not a weed smoker, but it is 420. The purpose of me mentioning that is because I just received this box yesterday, and this collection came out this week. So this look I created with from MAC. If you guys don't follow him on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, then you're missing out on Patrick Starr's springtime collection. So yes, mine came in the mail yesterday, which was perfect timing because it just came out in the stores yesterday, which was $4.19. It was released online on Tuesday, and I ordered mine as soon as I saw the Trend Mood posted that it was available. So I got the Me So Fleek Kit. This collection, you know, Patrick came out with his first collection that came out, I want to say, around the holiday time. So there was all the holographic sparkle with that. You got 3 lipsticks, 3 glosses, 3 lip pencils, the powder, and 2 eyeshadow palettes with that first collection. This is his spring collection. Patrick will have 2 more collections later on this year, one for the fall and then one more holiday collection. MAC has given him a lot of free range with his collection, and I have to say he did an awesome job with it. I saw the video promo for this collection and I fell in love because it was so beautiful. I just love what Patrick stands for as a YouTuber. He's just such a free spirit. His motto is life opens up when you do. Don't be afraid to chase your dreams, which is probably why I keep doing YouTube, because not that it's a dream or anything, but I enjoy doing it. It's fun. And when it starts being so overwhelming that it's not fun anymore, then yes, it's probably time to take a break and not do it. But this has opened up to me to meeting other people from different places, people who are from the same state that I'm from. They just happen to live in different states and stuff like that. I met other YouTubers, talked to other YouTubers, and it's just another great outlet to share the person that I am. This is a whole nother side of me that most people don't know. So anyway, I got the Me So Fleek Kit. This was $49.50. It has a value of, I believe, $96.50. I'll post everything down below in terms of the value. You get 4 items in this kit, which is absolutely awesome. The box is really, really pretty, so I'm definitely going to keep this. So the Me So Fleek Kit has a retro matte lipstick, which I'm actually wearing, a lip glass, the 4 a quad eyeshadow palette, and a blush powder duo, which I'm also wearing. So this whole look was brought to you by the Me So Fleek Kit. Now I'm sorry I didn't have time to do a tutorial for you guys. Kind of in the process of packing up this room because I'm getting ready to move, but I wanted to come and share my look with you guys, and then of course share what's in here. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the lipstick and the lip glass. It came wrapped in purple paper, so these do not come in a box, and I have to check the site. I want to say these are not sold individually. Everything is sold in the kit. So the lipstick, the name of it is called Hey Boy Hey, which is this pretty deep pinky purplish color. I absolutely love it. It's one of the reasons why I bought this kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is a retro matte lipstick. The packaging on it is just so cute. It's a soft pink with that floral pattern on it. And it does have his signature on it. Then the lip glass, again with that soft pink, his signature is in white. You really can't see it. The lip glass is called Queen P. Okay, Patrick. And it's this really cute pink sparkly color, which is great either by itself or on top of the lipstick, which I actually have it on top of the lipstick. It is really pretty on. So that's a swatch of it right next to the Hey Boy Hey. Y'all excuse my fingernails. Like, this one broke real randomly and I haven't gotten a chance to go get my nails done. But I will soon. The next thing I'm going to pull out, it looks like the eyeshadow quad. And that's what the packaging on that looks like. And it's called Play With Me. So there's 4 colors in here, and it's the 4 colors from, let me put the shadow shield back on because I was playing with, oh, I can leave it off. So it's In Living Pink, All's Rosy, Hickie, and In the Shadows. So that top one right there is called In Living Pink. The next one is All's Rosy. The bottom one, that pink, is called Hickie, and this blue is called In the Shadows. Let me see if I can swatch them for you guys. These colors are so gorgeous. Like, I had to get this palette, and the other kit is really pretty too, and I think I'm going to order that at another time. Because I really was like in between. It was like either order this or order the Fenty Body Lava. And that's all 4 shades swatched on my hand right there. And I chose to get this because for whatever reason I thought it was going to go quickly. But you can still order it online on mac.com. And it's in stores, which is really good. The last thing in here is the Blush Duo. I'm looking for something to wipe my fingers on because I got colors all on my fingers. I don't see anything. So this is what this looks like. Again, it's that soft pink packaging with the floral, and it says Patrick Starr and MAC at the bottom. And you get a mirror at the top, and that's what the duo looks like. And this is called Take Me Home. It's a powder blush duo called Take Me Home. So let's zoom in on this look so you guys can see what colors I use, of course, from the palette, and of course how I use the lipstick. So let's dive in. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I took that pink color, that deep pink color. I actually used the whole quad on my eyes. My brow bone highlight happens to be in Living Pink. In between, as my transition, I use All's Rosy and Hickie, and then on my lid is In the Shadows. I kind of deepened up my corner with a little bit of black from my Morphe palette and winged it out with a black wing liner. And of course on my lips, because I've already posted pictures on Instagram, I did get asked in Snapchat. The lipstick is called Hey Boy Hey, and the gloss is called Queen P. So I am loving this look, and this blush is everything. I love how well it works for my skin tone. I feel like MAC did an awesome job with Patrick's collection. This blue is super duper pigmented. I love it, and I've had other blues from MAC that were okay, but this, the formula on this is bomb. It packed on so beautifully. I just love, love, love this spring collection. The packaging, I have to say, is really beautiful. I love what Patrick did with the packaging. The florals coming into spring, all the flowers, it looks amazing. And what you get inside too, of course, is this card. If you've ever gone into MAC and it's like, see the diagram faces, how they created with the colors and everything. This is basically one of the looks like Patrick did on his channel. And it's just absolutely amazing. On the back it says spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. XOXO Patrick Starr. And it has all of his social media. So you can find Patrick on Instagram. Of course, pound Mac Patrick Starr. To get Patrick Starr's spring look, check out how-to video. And it's his YouTube channel. .com/user/the_Patrick_Starr. So this way you can check out his makeup tutorial using the Me So Fleek palette. And I believe he has the other kit, he has a tutorial for that too, or he probably has one coming up soon. So this is absolutely the bomb.com. Some other things that were in my box, because when you order this kit, you got to pick out some extra samples. You got to pick out 3 extra samples. I think I managed to get 4 though. Yeah, I did get 4. So, or did I get 3? No, I got 3. No, I got 4. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, so I got the Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage, which I have a bunch of these. I just throw them in my kit. The Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. So I have that. Usually throw that in my kit too. This one that I really like, and this is the Pro Eye Makeup Remover. I love this, and I used to have the one that was great for removing makeup and liquid lipstick. That price has gone up. I noticed the price of anything at MAC has gone up. Like my foundation that I use has gone up from like $26 or $28 to now $30. So that used to be like $21 when I did get it, and now it's like $22 or something. Prep and Prime has gone up, so everything seems to be going up at MAC. But this is one item that I do like, and I like to get the samples of. And then this is Strobe Cream. I have a whole jar of this that I'm not finished with, but I have a bunch of samples, so I probably will never be finished with this stuff. But those were some of the samples that came in my box. What more can I say about this collection? It is absolutely gorgeous. The colors are great, whether you're fairest of the fair or my complexion. I'm quite sure this will look great on even a darker complexion than myself. I actually did look at MAC's Instagram, and they had a model who was darker than me where they put the blue on her, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So this collection is great for all races, all skin types. Love, love, love MAC and Patrick Starr. You did that. So that's all I have for you guys with this MAC Patrick Starr release. The other kit is available. I'll post the name of that down below, along with this Me So Fleek Kit and everything that comes inside. I will let you guys know in the description box if you can get this stuff individually. I haven't really looked at the site since I've ordered it, and I want to say you could just get it in the kit. And I did have a friend ask me what shade lipstick this was, and I don't think you can get it by itself. So that's the only thing. But for $49.50, this is a steal because you get 4 MAC items at a value of just close to $100. So that's awesome for $49.50, and you won't be disappointed. So let me know if you got anything from the MAC Patrick Starr collection. If you did pick up this kit, what look did you create with it? What did you like? What did you dislike? Would you purchase it again? Would you purchase the other kit? The other kit colors are really pretty too. They're definitely very spring, very floral too. I'm probably going to pick that up at a later date, and I'll come back and share that with you guys. So divas, that's all I have for you guys for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I know I'm going to get a lot of can you recreate the look, can you do a tutorial, and if I find a way to squeeze it in, guys, I will try. But with packing and trying to get ready to move, it's been kind of hard. Like the room, literally, if you guys had to see it, it's a nightmare in here. So divas, if you're new to my channel, thanks for watching and checking in. If you want, I don't know why you wouldn't want to, but make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. This way you don't miss out anything here at the House of Glam TV. To my oldie but goodie dolls, thanks so much for rocking with me. You guys are absolutely amazing. I love you guys so much. Until the next time, my fabulous divas, y'all know what to do. Y'all stay fab, because you know your girl is too. I'll check y'all in my next one. Bye.